here. You okay? Here. Here. Press it harder. Press it. Okay. Here more. Okay. Check shoulder. This hand. This side. This side. Okay, just tap on the fingers here. Does that pop every time? No? First time. It's a normal reaction. It's a normal reaction. You know, this side now. You okay? You okay? Okay, now for the ear.
This one I'll keep it.
Yeah, your specs are inside the basket. There's a small basket inside there. Raising hands. Okay. And your fingers this way. And the hip. And the head. Tighten your fingers up. Loosen up the elbows. Keep your legs down. Okay, just lie down on my leg only. Don't worry. Just relax the body. Lie down. Okay, take a deep breath in. And release.
Whoa, that's so loud. That was so loud.
Still here? Check back on the shoulder here just now. And then press it down. There's some tension, right? There still is a little bit, but stand up. Walk your palms covering here. Shut, okay? No tearing, eh? Okay, relax there. Tilt back a little bit. Okay, just like okay.
Okay. Ada lagi?
Belum, Bobby. Ada lagi. Can you face down? Face down, ya.
Can I lie down?
Yes, face down.
Can I just like a
It doesn't have to be this on.
If you want to change.